Oh, the storm. We've made it through the storm, and my Ackee has made it through the storm. And we're still in abundance here in Jamaica. Peace and love to each and every one of you. The Ackee tree made it through the storm. The Almighty is with me and with us. And the storm did not touch us that much, but the storm came to teach us a lesson. Be prepared. And be always prepared and plant your trees, for the all is always and will always provide. If the light is gone, the internet is gone, we always have Ackee from the tree in Jamaica. We are more than blessed. We are infinitely in sync with the all. So, wherever you are, the act of the all must be with you, not just in your head, but the all must represent the all in the change and balances. As life change, we rebalance. This is yours truly, JNNNNNNNNN. So much breeze, you just gotta take it easy. Peace and love.